Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am excited to talk to you about this awesome little product from a company called Syncwire. This is the Syncwire Key Wireless Magnetic Charger with Stand. Yes, this is magnetic, so it is MagSafe compatible. If you have an iPhone 12 or 13 with MagSafe built in, this will snap right onto the back of it, and this is what's cool. On the back of this, you have this little ring that you pull out, and that turns it into a stand. So while this is attached to your iPhone 12 or 13, and it can be charging, and then you can use it as a stand to stand it up. But it is just a standard wireless charger. So this will also charge phones that are not MagSafe. It'll charge any phone that is compatible with Key Wireless charging, as well as you can use it to charge earbuds or AirPods. Anything that supports the standard wireless charging, this will charge it. You can just have it sitting flat, and you can sit your phone, any phone on there, or earbuds or whatever. Or like again, if it's a MagSafe phone, then this, because it has that magnet built into it, it'll click right onto it, and you could lay it flat. But what makes it special is that it does have that ring that pulls out to make it a stand, and you can have different angles because it has a really strong hinge, so you can set it to the angle that you want it. Now it does come with this really long, very nice nylon braided cord, and it comes with the power supply. And this is a Syncwire PD 20 watt power supply, so it gives you the fast charging that you would expect out of a really high quality wireless charger. So they don't just give you the charger, the wireless charger and the stand itself, they also give you the high quality power supply to make it run. So really excellent product by Syncwire. Again, very simple, but really awesome. If you have a phone that is MagSafe, then you got to get this because you're gonna love it, and it works great. And then you can also use it with other products as well. And that's what I love about it. The fact that you can use it with the MagSafe phone to get the stand as well as charging, but you can use it with other products as well. Makes it a very useful product, very well made. Just another really great product by Syncwire, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.